Today we're going to install our aluminum hat base, showing the lap procedure and how to install it on the column post on the side of your greenhouse, whether you have curtain systems or fixed poly. You begin by flushing the end of your hat with the outside of your column post, pushing it down, and be sure the grade is close to where your hat base is as level as possible so your curtain system will lay down appropriately. I would suggest placing a couple of screws down the line of the house to be sure that you don't have to pull it up and down as you go according to your grade. Then you'd come back and just add the screws on the ones that were missing. It gets a screw in the top and the bottom. The next piece of hat base to the previous piece installed, you should always have the notched end on the leading edge. The notch is there so that it can lap properly for a good seal. All you do is lap 2 to 3 inches, just covering up the notch every time. Sometimes a rubber mallet or hammer may be needed to bump the joining piece in place for a snug fit. Go ahead and place a few screws down the wall as you go to be sure it's good and level. When you get to the end of the house, you should have an excess of hat channel hanging past your end wall. The notch should be forward, so when you install the last screws, you will need to take a Sawzall or something, or pre-cut it before installed and remove the excess hanging out past the end of the house. That's it.